Desi brands, the Tamil Nadu Traders Association has decided to stop the sale of soft drinks of multinational companies, including Coca-Cola and Pepsi products, from the 1st of March this year. Over 15 lakh members affiliated to the trade bodies will instead aggressively promote the consumption and sale of local beverages. The move comes in the wake of Jallikattu protests, which became a discussion forum for people to step up, the demand to ban the sale of soft drinks and mineral water manufactured by MNCs. Trade bodies in Tamil Nadu have also decided to spend the month of February in educating both buyers and sellers in the pitfalls of consuming these products.
March 1 தமிழகம் முழுவதும் பெப்சி கோக் என்ற வாசனை இருக்கக்கூடாது, அந்த பாட்டல்கள் கண்ணுக்கு தெரியக்கூடாது. ஒட்டுமொத்தமாக பெப்சி கோகோலாவுக்கு மூடு விழா மார்ச் 1 என்பதை தமிழ்நாடு வணிகர்களுடைய பேரமைப்பு, தமிழகத்தில் உள்ள 6000 வணிகர் சங்கத்தினுடைய நிர்வாகிகள் ஒப்புதலோடு இன்று நாங்கள் அறிவிக்கிறோம்.
We are joined by PMK leader Dr. Anbumani Ramadas, so thank you very much. Now the Traders Union in Tamil Nadu have decided that they are going to not sell Pepsi and Coca-Cola, but you have been campaigning for this for a very long time. So how are you planning to take this forward?
See, I welcome the move of the Tamil Nadu Traders Association of not selling Pepsi and Coke from March 1st onwards. On the health grounds, as a doctor, as a former health minister, I welcome this move. In fact, the recommendation of the World Health Organization says that we have to reduce carbonated drinks and sugary drinks, and worldwide there have been taxes on sugar drinks and fat taxes and obesity tax and all these things So purely on that ground, I welcome this. And also not only Coke, Pepsi, but any other sugary drinks as well. And that should be slowly discontinued, and it shouldn't be sold in schools and all these things on our health ground. So overall, I welcome this.
But practically, do you see that happening? Because even the government couldn't ban Pepsi and Coke.
See, when these traders don't sell it, I mean, so how can people buy if they're not selling it? So that is something, a good positive move from their side, and also the sentiments of the Tamil people here.
And also, is it because of the Jallikattu protest this issue has come to the forefront?
Yes, that may be a reason about Jallikattu, and then issues about the Tamil issues as well. But whatever it is, something positive, according to me, has come through Jallikattu, encompassing other issues like Coke and Pepsi as well.
So as an MP, how are you planning to take this forward?
See, I have been fighting for this, and my party has been fighting for this for the last 15-20 years on junk food, like chips and cool drinks and all these things. So it's something very positive from my side, from the side of the traders. And in fact, we also had talked to them, Vikram Raja and Mr. Velle, and we also talked to them saying that please do something about these things. So I think this is an initiation. I believe that this is a beginning. So that according to me, all the carbonated drinks, if I had an opportunity to ban it, I would be happy to ban it. But then there are other issues as well involved. So it should be discontinued, and the youngsters should be educated more not to use this. Because recently we've been getting heart attacks for a 20-year-old youngster, which has not been heard of earlier. So this is something which we need to have an awareness on.
But they're saying they're going to sell the local products.
There may be different views on that as well. But for me, carbonated drink is a carbonated drink. It's a junk food, and it should be avoided, whether it is local or abroad, foreign drinks or anything We have in Tamil Nadu, we have natural drinks, like tender coconut and products associated with coconut and palmyra, like Neera, which is there's no artificial ingredients in that, and it's a natural drink, and it is good for health as well. So these things, Padanir is something called Padanir also. So these things should be promoted. The government should take, once the government promotes more of these, then automatically there'll be a discontinuation of these carbonated drinks.
I think we're all aware of what the trade unions are asking for from the government. I think it's a welcome move that people are coming out and are wanting to do support indigenous drinks and products. I think for far too long we've patronized international brands. It's up to the Chief Minister to decide, accept these demands and does something about it. Whatever is legally possible and whatever is possible within the realm of government, I think we should do. We should hear the voices of our people, and I think it's a justified demand, and now is the time to promote Indian products and products from Tamil Nadu as well. So I just hope this momentum continues.
You looks like Jallikattu protest has created quite an impact in Tamil Nadu, because the protesters demanded, along with Jallikattu, they also demanded that foreign products like Pepsi and Coke should not be allowed in India. Instead, local products should be used. Now the traders in Tamil Nadu have decided from March 1st, they will not be selling Pepsi, Coke or any other kind of aerated drinks belonging to foreign countries. Instead, they have decided to promote the local products, and most of the shops have also decided to go by what the traders union is saying, and this way they are saying that the local products will be promoted and the profit will be for the local products. At the same time, the water bodies in Tamil Nadu will not be exploited. With video journalist Bidesh, this is Priyambada in Chennai for News X.